The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
It's 23 minutes after 10 o'clock. It's such a nice cold breeze having the naked DJ and Somizi sit in studio. It's cold out there, naked.
No,
It
is.
What?
Yeah, it is. But let's hope today's story is hot. And we're not expecting any more witchcraft, please. We've had witchcraft for the last.
Yes. It is freezing.
Can I ask, can you predict, Somizi, is it witchcraft today or we're having a good anonymous?
We're having a very good anonymous.
Togos.
And they are going through something that they have done.
They have.
Yes, not done unto them.
Okay.
I think.
Do unto others.
Yes, as you'd like to be done unto you.
My gosh.
And see ya do no
Wow. Hello, Kanye.
Hi, Anonymous. Anonymous, are you there? Hello? Okay. Yeah, no, they ran away. Oh, no, they're here.
Okay.
What did you want to say?
Yeah, say.
Nothing.
No, please.
No,
say
it's a story. We'll save it for another day.
Okay.
And today we're revealing why Naked changed his mind about saying he loves himself 100%,
Okay.
and why he changed his tune to say he loves himself 99%.
Can I ask a favor from both of you? Please, can you give us time to get through calls, advice, voice notes, and to have naked stories?
Yes.
You speak more than we do.
Oh my gosh. This guy, he's speaking of all
Kuto,
people.
you
Do you
speak
hear him?
more than we do.
No, that's not true.
Gisho Yamang.
No,
Thank
that's
you.
not true.
Thank you.
Mara show ya mankena kai.
Yeah, not to you, to him.
Not
Not to you, to
Okay,
him.
guys, I'm going to switch off your mics.
Anonymous, good morning.
Morning.
How are
There we
you?
go.
Good, thanks. How are you, team?
We are good, thank you. Anonymous, I'm going to read the house rules, ne? Here it is. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or profanities. Are you okay, Anonymous?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes.
All right, we are listening.
Okay, guys, I'm a 36-year-old woman with one child. I've been dating this guy for about 9 to 10 years on and off. So now the problem is when I met this guy, he was in a relationship. I had 2 kids with this lady. And then we met and I asked him, what is your intentions? Because you have 2 kids and somebody that you are living with. Are you married? He said to me, no, we are not married. Okay. I also had a relationship at that time, but that relationship eventually didn't proceed or happen. Okay, then we dated with this guy for about a year and a half. After I have now Lasa, the previous one.
Yeah?
Okay.
She
Yes.
dumped the previous guy.
She.
Lasad. Yeah, Lasad.
Yes.
Yes.
Dumped, and I dumped him.
Yes,
And
when
then-
a girl.
Yes. So now I was dating with this guy while he also is dating with the baby mama and they are staying together.
That's right.
After a time, because I thought we had a lot of challenges, like being a side chick, honestly speaking, and I was like, you know what, this is not for me. I don't want to be a side chick. So rather, it's either you tell your main chick, Guti, I'm also here because it come to me, and then 1 o'clock, 1 a.m., he has to go home. And I'm like, bruh, this is not on. So rather we just split up, or you tell your woman that I'm also around. Same thing you're saying you want me. Because I have initially said, you know what, this thing is not working. Rather, you just let me go and continue with your family. He refused. All right, then I said, you know what, I gave him an ultimatum to say, if you can't tell your baby mama, then I'm out of this relationship. He couldn't tell her. Then I eventually left him.
Okay, Anonymous.
Yes.
When is this the guy you have a child with, or you have a child with somebody else?
No, I came with the child. He also had his own two children.
Okay, cool. Okay.
So now, after about 4 months or 3 months, we've been broken up. He came back, and then he said to me, the main chick cheated on him. Apparently, he found out that the main chick was also cheating, because he was also cheating with me. So he said the main chick was cheating. He found out that the main chick was cheating. He left things. They are no longer together. I'm like, okay, cool. Then it means we can do our thing. We got back together. Everything was fine. First month. Second month, I saw Remano. It looks like there's another lady now. Besides that other one.
Yo, Anonymous.
Obvious.
Yo.
Okay. So now I'm like, what's happening? Because me and you just broke up for like 4 months.
Anonymous, can we stop there? Can we stop there where you just broke up? Where you ended things just 4 months ago, nah?
Yes.
Yeah, no.
So now where is this other one coming
Oh, Anonymous. Whoa. We are coming back, nah? Just bring up for me just a little bit. You have past 10. Let me go to the news headlines. We're coming back, nah?
Okay.
31 minutes after 10 o'clock, we've got Anonymous on the line. Now, Anonymous is in her late 30s, has one child. She's been dating a guy basically on and off for about 10 years now. However, the guy has a girlfriend who he has 2 children with. She was with someone else when she met him and ended up dropping that guy for this one who has a partner. She was aside for many years, but eventually gave him an ultimatum telling him to leave his main girlfriend for her, but he never left the main. She broke up with him, but 4 months later is where we are at. Nah, Anonymous, 4 months later.
Yes.
Nah?
I didn't ask him to leave his main girlfriend.
What did you do?
I said you tell him that I'm also here so that I am able also to call and he's also able to come over my place and sleep overnight. So the ultimatum was not that he must leave his baby mama.
It was let's share.
I found her with you.
Yeah, you wanted to share. I went right.
Yes, I went
a woman naked.
Okay, sorry.
A woman naked.
So now, 4-5 months down the line, he contacted me again. Okay, and then he told me, him and the baby mama, whatever transparent, she cheated, so she left him. Me, now on that side, I got myself some person. I told him, you know what, because you couldn't do these things for me, I couldn't just sit and wait for you. I've got myself a guy. He said, no problem. He's okay with it. Okay, but he didn't tell me now that he also has a chick. We dated, and then I was like, you know what, because I love this main guy, let me not now string along this other one that I found. I left that guy and I'm like, you know what, this thing is not working. I need a break, blah, blah, blah. I didn't tell him that. I went back to my ex. Going back to my ex, after 3-4 months, he has impregnated someone else while we were in a break or in that separation. Then I'm asking him, how did this now happen? Because Nalo we only had a break for like 3 months.
3 months.
He told me that he had stress and that lady was there for him because he was going through stuff regarding the infidelities with the baby mama. I said, okay, so what's going to happen now? Do you want to carry on with your relationship with the new now baby mama? Or what's the story? Because now, I, at this point of my life, I know initially I said, tell you, main chick, because I loved you and I thought maybe, something will come up. As much as I know that if tables were turned and my boyfriend is telling me now that there's this other chick that is coming, I wasn't going to be in the picture. But anyway, so now he's telling me, okay, no, the lady is pregnant and I can't just leave her like that because, throughout this infidelity stuff, she was there for me. I'm like, okay, cool. So what are you going to do? No, man, I'm just feeling sorry for her. And I told her about you because she also said, no, you must go. And I was like, you either go, this one is not going, meaning me. So she then said, or we can do it's Tembu. Mina, I said, no. Mina, I don't want Tembu in a relationship. And because when you have impregnated that lady, go to that lady and have a relationship with that guy. I love you, yes, but I love you from a distance.
Yes,
just because we love each other doesn't mean we can really end up together. He refused. And then I left him.
Okay.
I was like, you know what? I'm not going to do this. If you can't do that, then it means I must then take myself out.
Anonymous, what's
We
the age
broke up.
gap? What's the age gap between you guys?
He is 40. He's 40. I'm 36.
Okay, thank you, ma. Thank you.
Yes. So now, okay, he then says to me when he comes back, when I'm saying now I am leaving, he says to me, the reason why I did all these things was because I've been asking for a child from you, and when you were not giving me any child. And then my response was, how am I supposed to give you a child when I can see the whole situation that is happening here? We just got back together. You are impregnated somebody. Now you want also me to be impregnant. And we are not financially stable. He is a mechanic. Yes, he can. He's a trying man, but we are not capable of bringing yet another child where else there is a child coming. You understand? Okay, then he's like, okay, then I'll leave that other lady, but I can't because this is all your fault. If initially you had given me a child, I wasn't going to go to that other lady to request a child. I'm like, but now you've never had a conversation, a serious conversation where you are saying to me, these are my intentions and I want a child. He has said it, but you know how guys are. But you can't really take that seriously because this person really needs a child. And I said to him when we met, I am not going to have another child because I had a child when I was young. I was 22 when I had my first child. And I had a very difficult pregnancy. I made a promise to myself to do that. You know what? I don't want my second child to be fatherless. I want to do things the proper way. Now he is saying to me, why am I being punished for the sins of the first baby? Why did you not tell the first baby to marry you? And you are telling me you are only going to give me a child when I marry you.
Anonymous?
So, yes.
Stand Sam. Hello, my baby.
Hello, Sonny.
Johnny, sweetie.
I'm correct.
Yeah, I was all right. Yabana mina. What I touch tends to Yes, sir. Young is Anonymous. Yeah, Zupuma la right.
Okay.
Let me hold your hand virtually.
Okay.
Vali izandla zakho. Right. So what is the confusion? What do you want me to help you with? Where
My
are you
confusion is when I saw me, this guy sets it together. There are no more extended people.
Oh, now.
Now, yes.
Yes, right.
We are back together. There's baby mamas. There's 2 baby mamas.
Yeah.
Ne? Every time we have a fight, this guy is always reminding me of how I am not fulfilling his
Okay,
goals or
okay.
his dreams or whatever.
Okay.
Why am I not giving him a child? Where else this guy is not giving me a reason to give him a child? Why is he not
Okay.
doing right by me?
All right. And do you stay together now?
We don't stay together.
Great.
We've never stayed together.
Great, Anonymous. Now listen to me, Siswam. Earlier on, I was honestly going to joke about it. This is not a joke, right? First thing I've picked up with you, Anonymous, you are a very smart woman. Uhlakaniphile. You know exactly. You know when you talk about roles being reversed, when you talk about he doesn't give you any reason for you to give him a child, that is a smart person. But your only flaw is you have made him comfortable to treat you like a scrub lap. That's the role that you've played, Anonymous. You did not apply. Everything is a concept to you. You know, Guti, if roles were reversed, you know, Guti, if he's not worthy of getting a child from you, you know, Guti, you are mistreated, but you still stay.
Because I love him.
No, you don't, my baby. You don't love yourself. You don't love yourself, Anonymous. I was Thando Sami. Now let's fix you. Okay? You need to internalize it, Mtana Sekhaya. Aksi fault yakhe at this point. It was his fault the first time. Second time moving forward, it's not his fault. What you allow continues. And I'll say it again, as cliche as it may sound. You teach people how to treat you. So, don't blame yourself for not realizing, because we don't realize sometimes that we don't love ourselves enough to walk away from something that does not serve us. And it's shows like this that will open up your heart and your mind and your spirit. Here, love is not served. You'll forever be reminded, and he'll make you feel like uinyumba, like you are barren. She'll make you feel like that. And even if you are still a woman before you become barren. You are still you before you are not labeled according to your lacks or your flaws or your cons and your pros. You are still you. After, before, and everything else, you are still you. Now go back to you. If I had to tell you now, Uguti, does this guy deserve any more attention from you? The answer would be no. So start doing things and start seeking for places where you're going to be made to feel valued and valuable. You are worthy of everything that is beautiful, but you are not going to get from this guy. You are not going to get anything worthy of your queendomness from this guy. You must know that. If we end this conversation and you go back to this guy and give him another chance, you must know. And every time you say you love him, just know the mirror says, no, you don't love yourself. The minute you realize, Uguti, you are worthy and deserving of everything, you will walk away and love yourself so much that anything that does not sit well with you must be removed. You remove yourself from anything that does not sit well with you. But if you love yourself less, you stay because you feel like it's better than nothing. Half a loaf is better than nothing. Akufani. Ayisebenzi akufani. Umuntu nawe udeserve a loaf brown or a loaf white, and a cheese, ne butter, ne lettuce, ne bacon. Ne yabo? Udeserve yonke. Udeserve le kota le tower. Udeserve a toast le yase le bayipressa ngale lokho sani bencane be thin bengafuni le shop lethengisa ama wings anetswayi.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah. You deserve leyo. You deserve ikota ena yonke into. Bese when you decide ukuthi uzodliqanda qala or uzodla sausage qala, but you are a queen from now on. Wear that crown, sisi. It does stay. It's free, ne?
Okay.
Uyangizwa manje, uyazizwa ukuthi njani manje? Konke shiftile kancane, uyangibona?
Yeah,
Aisha samsebenzisi la. Sithi yeah. My shift. You understand? Shifter, sisi. Shifter. Dust yourself off. Geza, gqoka, iba muhle. But also,
so easy. We've been together for 10 years.
Ayifuni mina leyo,
Like-
angingeni leyo. Ungitshela into leyo, ungitshela. Together for ujola duration or ujola nomuntu okuthandayo.
Shoo.
Nomuntu okuthandayo,
Exactly.
but
Hey, mamela Anonymous. Ngiyacela sithando sami. Ngiyacela. Stop being a pessimist. Stop being negative. Stop being a victim. You're not a victim. This is your test so that one day you can tell your testimony. Okay? This is your story. So stop being negative. Angisafuna ukuzwa angisafuna ukuzwa mara mina. You are whole, uphelele. Okay?
yes, thank you.
Let's shift, my baby. Wear that crown. Ungakhohlwa, every day of week you wear that crown. You shinise. And the crown starts inside and then it's soyibona ngaphandle. I love you, yes?
I love you too.
Okay, my baby.
Well said, Samizi. My God.
You wear the crown. You don't drink the crown.
Naked.
You are fire. Thank you very much for your patience. We are back with Anonymous. Anonymous, thank you very much for your patience. Are you ready for Naked DJ? Anonymous? Did she leave us? Anonymous, are you there? All right, while Given is trying to make sure Anonymous is still with us. Naked, we've been waiting for your half.
Have you told our listeners about Ask a Man going on to television?
Aren't you
while
excited?
we wait? Yes, of course I am.
Aren't you excited? S3, live TV, from radio to
Yeah.
TV. And many have been asking, does that mean it's stopping on radio? No. It still continues here, 10 to 11, Monday to Friday.
Yeah, your bread will be buttered on both sides, guys. You'll not only get to hear us, but see us as well.
Ooh.
You know. And this hamba senza facial. Ngifake neinwele.
Oh my God.
Well, I got my hair transplant, so.
And you
yeah,
did?
it's
How's
gonna
that
be
going?
good.
How's that going?
Yeah, cool as shame.
Oh, we'll see on
They'll
TV.
see. You'll see it on TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, apparently Anonymous is back.
Okay.
Anonymous,
Hello.
pelung chikile earlier on. What
Aski is naked.
tool?
Aski is naked.
Do you want to hear what I've got to say, or are you
Please.
okay?
Please send me.
Yeah. Okay. So, Anonymous, from my side, there was only one or two things that stood out that you said, no? Remember when he came back? He wasn't coming back to you, Anonymous. He came back because he was cheated on. Now, that's not a person that wants you. Like, Anonymous or Kuzo, how do you take back, or Somiza, how do you take back a person that says, no, I'm coming back to you because my other woman cheated on me?
It wasn't in that sense when
I'm defending. Defend him.
no, I mean
yeah?
defend, but I'm trying to paint a picture a right, honest.
Paint a picture.
Paint a girl.
Yes. Oh, after we've heard, you are right, Vele ngoba, if maybe the first lady didn't cheat, I'm assuming. Mhlambe vele ngabe usanayo baby mama number 2.
He would have never come
So you are
back.
right.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. He would have never come back.
Okay.
He would have maybe come back to snack. Pelangisho, they come back to snack to see if you're still stupid. But Angisho, you're no longer stupid, Anonymous.
I've never been stupid.
Come on, girl.
And then, Wena, that's never been stupid. That's very smart. You see, when you say we have been together for 10 years, Anonymous, that is the biggest lie that you're telling yourself. You haven't been together for 10 years. There were times when you guys broke up, and you've had other guys.
I've got only one guy after he refused to
Stop it.
give
Stop it. You see, don't become him. Remember, whenever you guys have arguments, he says, I impregnated that woman because when.
Yes.
Now I'm asking you a question and you say, I had another guy because he.
Okay.
You are not him.
But Mina, I did it the right way, naked.
Hear her out.
I told him before I engage in another relationship, I spoke to him and told him, listen, this thing is not working for me because of 1, 2, 3. So now, because it's not working, I am walking away. Where you want?
Yeah, but Anonymous, wasn't this the time that he already had someone, or did you guys break up again?
Baby mama that he was living with.
Yes,
I
after
left him.
Yes, when you gave him
because
the ultimatum,
yes.
and then but you still allowed him to come back and break up that particular relationship.
Because he came to me and said, look, yes, I've made mistakes, and yes, I love you. They'll always say that naked, I know. But now, because that person is no longer in the picture, let's do our thing. And then I'm
Anonymous.
honestly speaking,
Anonymous.
I was
Uhlala udefender wena. Like for you, it's what tinta umfazi, what tinta umbokazi. Because we are defender. Like you're a world-class defender.
okay.
So
naked.
stop it, ne? Anonymous,
Okay.
he's never been into you. He's never
Okay.
loved you. And I echo Somizi's sentiments as well. You've never loved yourself. Start loving yourself. You deserve better, not only for you, but for your child as well, okay? Sharp, sharp.
Anonymous, thank you so much for calling in today. We pray you have a beautiful weekend. Continue listening for the advice you'll get from South Africa, ne?
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, Som. Thank you, Naked. I thought you'll be bringing guns here because I know you, but at least it was spot on and to the point. Thank you so much, guys.
Much love. We love you.
Me too.
South Africa, you know what to do. 086,000 2160. What advice do you have? Some liquid deep. Settle for less. That time where we get to hear your advice to Anonymous. Cannot wait to hear. Liquid Deep, settle for less. 4 minutes till we hit the top of the hour. Kutso Teledi, Somizi, the Naked DJ. Let's take your calls. Dumelo out in Pretoria. Good morning, Dumelo.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, thanks in yourself, Queen.
I'm good. Yeah, I'd like to give one of my words to Anonymous.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I feel like she's making so many excuses for this man, right? Yeah, and I feel like she's been in a situation whereby she knows the right thing to do, but she just doesn't want to do it. Yeah, she's been in a relationship that is very toxic. For me, the flags are not even red anymore. They've turned maroon, actually. You know? So what I want to say is that I'm adding on some music. Love yourself. Put yourself first.
100%. Dumelo loud and clear. Put yourself first. Let's head on over to Hope out in Brits. Hope.
Hello, Kuto, how are you?
Hi, good, thanks in yourself, Hope.
Well, thank you. Hope, Kuto, Anonymous doesn't love herself. She doesn't love herself. I want to say to her, and the other thing that I want to comment on.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to be in Stembu, but she wanted to be the Stembu of the first lady. She's so selfish, man. That's very selfish. She must love herself and she must continue with her life. She doesn't have to do that. Relationship here 10 years, that's too much. That's too much to can stay in a relationship here 10 years. Rather do fat and set free.
I hope ukwatile today. Hope.
Hi, she doesn't love herself. I don't want a lady who's doing that to herself, man. Thank you so much, my love.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Let me try and squeeze in some voice notes. We deserve to hear your voice this side. On WhatsApp line 060-552-7303.
Good morning, Askaman team. Good morning. Yo, Anonymous, like, please make it make sense. Make it make sense. Wahlukana nami, wathola omunye, wayenzani, wabuya kimi, another baby mama, inini. Guys, asikusabukula. Anonymous, awuzithandi sis. Because you are taking yonke lento le uyifaka phakathi kwakho, because trust me, malala nalaba abanye, there is no protection there. More than anything, awuzithandi sis. And you know what? Somizi once said, umnyango we-self-love awuvalwa. Awuvule sis, ungaphinde uvale. And see how things will end up for you. Lahla lo muntu, move on. You are smart. You are obviously beautiful. You'll get someone who is worth your time or who values your time. Sharp.
Sorry. Okay, my baby, it's okay. I'm nervous. It's okay, I understand.
Think you found the one, but you're not too sure?